Vehicle diesel consumption report provides a detailed analysis of fuel usage for both owned and hired vehicles in your fleet. It helps in tracking diesel consumption, monitoring fuel efficiency, optimizing operational costs. Step 1. Purpose of the report. Track diesel usage. Monitor how much fuel each vehicle consumes. Analyze efficiency. Compare diesel consumption trends across vehicle types and branches. Operational planning. Optimize vehicle utilization based on fuel consumption data. Budget control. Ensure fuel expenses align with operational budgets. Step 2. Accessing the report. Navigation. Go to the Vehicle Diesel Consumption section in the main menu. Step 3. Selecting vehicle type. Owned vehicles. Diesel consumption details are available directly in the report. Hired vehicles. Click on the vehicle code to open the Hire Vehicle Position report, which includes date, activity date, working hours, operational hours per day, cumulative hours, total working hours to date, trips completed, daily and cumulative trip counts, diesel quantity, fuel consumed per day and in total, fuel efficiency, diesel consumption rate. Step 4. Selecting a branch. Branch-wise filtering. Select a branch from the drop-down to view diesel consumption data specific to that location. Step 5. Viewing the report. The report displays the following columns: vehicle code, vehicle number, date the date of the recorded diesel consumption, vehicle name or description of the vehicle, vehicle type of vehicle, truck, excavator, etc. Search functionality. Quickly find records using the vehicle code, number, or name. Pagination. Navigate through multiple pages of records if the report has large data. Step 6. Key features. Filter options. Vehicle type. View separate diesel consumption data for owned and hired vehicles. Branch. Focus on diesel usage in a specific branch. Data export. Export to Excel for record keeping and analysis. Real-time updates. Diesel consumption data is updated regularly to reflect recent activities. And then closed vehicle list provides detailed information about vehicles that are no longer in active use or have been closed for operations. This report is used to track and manage vehicles that are out of service, ensuring proper record keeping for audits and operational transparency. Purpose of the closed vehicle list. The report serves the following key purposes: track closed vehicles, maintain records of vehicles that are no longer operational or in use, access detailed information, view comprehensive details about closed vehicles such as registration, insurance status, and vehicle condition, export records, export the list of closed vehicles for documentation, audits, or reporting purposes. Step 1. Accessing the closed vehicle list. Navigation. Go to the closed vehicle list section from the main menu. Filters and search. Use the filters to customize the report. Select vehicle type. Choose between hire or owned vehicles. Branch-wise report. Filter the vehicles by specific branches. Click Search to view the list of closed vehicles. Step 2. Report table columns. Once the filter criteria are applied, the report table will display the following columns: vehicle code, vehicle number, vehicle name, descriptive name or alias of the vehicle, details, clickable link to view detailed information about the vehicle. Step 3. Viewing vehicle details. Click the View button in the Details column to access the Vehicle Details View page, which includes a comprehensive breakdown of the closed vehicle's information. Basic information. Vehicle code. Unique code for the vehicle. Entry date. Date the vehicle was added to the system. Vehicle name. Name or alias of the vehicle. Vehicle number, registration number of the vehicle. Model, vehicle's model identifier. Vehicle make, manufacturer of the vehicle. Registration and insurance details. Vehicle registration number, official registration number. Registration date, date the vehicle was registered. Insurance renewal date, the last renewal date of the vehicle's insurance, whether expired or active. Insurance company, name of the insurance provider. Insured amount, the total insured value for the vehicle. Technical and operational data. Engine number, engine serial number. Chassis number, chassis serial number. Vehicle type, type or category of the vehicle. Vehicle equipment, equipment associated with the vehicle. Hour meter reading, cumulative hour meter reading. Operational details. Vehicle condition, current condition of the vehicle, example, good, fair, poor. Utilization, summary of vehicle usage while operational. Branch, the branch the vehicle was last associated with. Vehicle basis, operating basis, example, per hour, per trip. Vehicle description, additional notes about the vehicle. Purchase details. Purchase details, information related to the vehicle's purchase. Permit and FC details. Permit, any applicable permits for the vehicle. FC, fitness certificates, details about the vehicle's fitness certificate. Tax information. Tax details, information regarding any taxes paid for the vehicle. Step 4. Closed vehicle specific details. In addition to the standard vehicle information, closed vehicles have additional specific details. Closed by the user ID of the person who closed the vehicle. Closing date, the date when the vehicle was closed. Reason for closing, justification or reason for closing the vehicle, example, breakdown, end of lease. Step 5. Exporting records. Export functionality. Once the report is displayed, users can export the closed vehicle data to an Excel file for offline use or record keeping. Vehicle Logbook Details feature allows users to record, track, and manage vehicle-related information, including registration details, operational history, maintenance records, and transfer logs. This tool helps ensure accurate record keeping and simplifies vehicle monitoring. 1. Accessing the vehicle logbook. Navigate to the Vehicle Logbook Details section from the main menu. Users will find input fields and report generation options. 2. Features and functionalities. Select vehicle type. Choose the type of vehicle, owned/hired. Branch-wise report. Filter vehicle details by branch. Search. Locate specific vehicle records using keywords. Vehicle details form. Users can input the following details for each vehicle. Vehicle code. Vehicle name. Invoice number. Vehicle make. Vehicle type. Vehicle number. Chassis number. Vehicle registration date. Purchase date. Hypothecation with financing/bank details if applicable. Insurance date. Insurance number. Insurance premium per year. FC date. RC book number. Permit date. Road tax from date. Vehicle description. Vehicle equipment. Remarks. Vehicle condition. Entry date. Vehicle branch. 3. Additional functionalities. Position view. Redirects to own vehicle position history. View historical data on vehicle position. Select month and year. Choose a time period for detailed reports. Report columns. Date. Starting/closing hours and km. Working hours and km. Cumulative hours and km. Number of loads. Remarks. Export to Excel. Download position history. Maintenance history. Redirects to vehicle maintenance history. View maintenance details, including service hours and cumulative hours. Export to Excel. Download maintenance history. Transferring history. Redirects to vehicle transferring history. Track transfer details for vehicles. Report columns. Vehicle code. From branch to branch. Transferred by. Transferred date. Approved by. Approved date. Export to Excel. Download transfer history. Reports. Redirects to vehicle reports. Report columns. Description. April to March monthly breakdown. Export to Excel. Download monthly report data. 4. Navigation and actions. Back button. Return to the previous screen. Export to Excel. Download the displayed data for offline use.